This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: what is the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for steroid synthesis and detoxification of drugs and poisons. Question: does the smooth endoplasmic reticulum have surface ribosomes? Answer: no, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks surface ribosomes. Question: where is glucose 6-phosphatase located within the cell? Answer: glucose 6-phosphatase is located in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and is the last step in both glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. Question: which cells in the body are rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: hepatocytes and steroid hormone-producing cells of the adrenal cortex and gonads are rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question: what are the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum include steroid synthesis, detoxification of drugs and poisons, location of glucose 6-phosphatase in the last step of both glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. Question: in which cells is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum found? Answer: the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in hepatocytes and steroid hormone producing cells of the adrenal cortex and gonads. Question: what is the role of glucose 6-phosphatase in the cell? Answer: glucose 6-phosphatase is located in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and plays a role in the last step of both glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. Question: what is the main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in detoxification? Answer: the main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in detoxification is to neutralize toxic substances and drugs, making them water-soluble for excretion from the cell. Question: what is the difference between the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: the main difference between the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum is the presence of ribosomes. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on its surface, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not. Question: how does the smooth endoplasmic reticulum aid in steroid synthesis? Answer: the smooth endoplasmic reticulum contains enzymes that aid in steroid synthesis by catalyzing the various chemical reactions required to produce steroid hormones. Question: what is the role of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in drug detoxification? Answer: the smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a role in drug detoxification by neutralizing toxic substances and drugs, making them water-soluble for excretion from the cell. Question: why are hepatocytes and steroid hormone-producing cells rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Answer: hepatocytes and steroid hormone-producing cells are rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum because of the high demand for detoxification and steroid synthesis functions in these types of cells.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.